The next one is to test that there's a copy of this movie available. And this one turns out to be an easy one because we've already written this user-defined function that we can use. We're going to need a variable to store it in because if there is one, we need that ID. So this is going to be a movie item. And it's of type int. And we're going to call that method and set it equal to. So we're going to say movie item is equal to, and here we're going to call that function. Right? Remember how we call the function? We have to use the scheme, and if you haven't changed it, it's going to be database owner, and then the name of the function that we wrote, remember it was get available movie ID. Notice the Management Studio knows about it, and we have to send it the parameters that it's expecting. So it's expecting a movie ID, and we have that, and a movie type, and we have that, so that's what it's going to get us. And remember, it's going to return the actual movie ID or a -1 if it didn't find one. So the problem is going to be if it returns a -1. So if it turns out that movie item is actually equal to -1, then this is where our problem is, and we'll do the same thing we did with our other problems, and that is print an error message that's specific. Movie is not available. We can just say movie's not available, and we won't add this as a rental record, and we'll simply return 0. So movie is not available and return 0. Okay, let's execute to see if we've got it syntactically correct. Let's go find these tests. Let's test one that works. And we get no message. Let's go down here and find movie not available. And execute, and we get the message, movie is not available. So there, that one works. Makes it easier when we've already written a function that does all the work for us.